Let me get out of here before I wake everybody up. I don't know, probably it's like 5 o'clock in the morning, and I must be wondering why the hell all the fun things must be so freaking early in the morning. Well, at least traffic on I-4 is good around this time in the morning. Man, really need some coffee. I wonder if they have some kind of coffee refilling service, like how they refill jets. Alright, finally get to Darren's place. Look at his smile. Of course, he got the extra 45 minutes of sleep. I could smile for that. Whatever, I give him a little handicap. Hurry up, let's go. Hey, so are you telling me that we're driving 3 hours so we could race for 3 minutes?
Yeah.
Can you say it to the camera so we have it on record? Because it sounds pretty ridiculous for people that don't understand this thing. Come on. Hurry up. This is the slowest pump I ever seen in my life. I gotta hurry up, finish my task before Darren finished with his. Come on. Hurry up. Man, this thing sucks. It's not me, man. It's the pump. This pump sucks, man. It's the slowest pump I ever seen in my life.
There's nothing wrong with this.
I'm telling you it is. Alright, let me change the shock setting real quick. 1, 2, 3. Let's do the back. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. 6, 7.
Hey man, you sure that's how we had it last time?
What do you mean? It says it right here. The car owner allowed to set up the car however he likes. Alright, gonna do some course walk with Darren. Right here.
Alright, this is super simple. X squared plus Y squared times 3 over pi.
Oh yeah, got it. Totally got it. Super easy.
Alright, let me see here. I'm pretty sure it's an optional slalom. By the way the star and the sun is aligning, I'm thinking left. Yes, definitely left. Left is much faster. Because you can see like how the sun is right now. Left is much faster, for sure.
Hey Darren, that guy's beating us on the course walk, man. We can't let him beat us. We should speed up. Let's go. Come on. Alright, up to this point, I've been pretty much believing everything Darren's been telling me. But all of a sudden he hands me his SCCA starting line school business card and tells me that if I want to become even faster, I gotta do one of the class with him. What the hell? Alright, first one, nice and easy, super smooth. No, hell no, balls out, let's go. Full throttle, everywhere, I don't care. Let's go. Oh man, it wasn't too good. It was cold tire for sure.
Another day at the park, super easy. Bam. Easy money.
Oh yeah, you wanna play hardball? Let's go, let's get it. Yeah, much better. Booyah! Told you it was cold tire on the first run.
A little bit here, a little bit there, super easy and smooth. It's alright. It wasn't good run at all. It's okay. Got it done though.
Alright, last one, let's make it count. Ain't gonna hold nothing back now. There you go, full throttle, son. There we go. Bam! Told you.
Taking candy from my baby.
I'm gonna congratulate Darren since he beat me. I hate losing to him, so I'm gonna blindside him with this water chucking competition. I got him. Yeah, chuck it up, chuck. Yes sir. Yeah, told you can't drink as fast as me. Told you. Alright, so he beat me in the breakfast getting task because the tire machine from Wawa was broken. So I call that even. Well, he beat me in the autocross because he got an extra 45 minutes of sleep. So I call that even. But I clearly beat him in the water chucking competition. I was so much faster, no doubt. So overall, I'm pretty much won the weekend. Plain and simple. Winner!